start.
Hello everyone, I am Kanchan Sardana working as assistant professor in RBIT campus Bastada, Ghana. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will discuss about the evaluation of the semi-solid dosage form. So what are the semi-solid dosage form? Semi-solid dosage form are the dosage form which are used for the topical application to the skin. They may be ointment, they may be creams, they may be gels or paste. So these are all the semi-solid dosage form applied on the skin or used for the topical application. So when we prepare the formulation, we have to evaluate certain tests for the ointment, paste or jellies. The overall evaluation of semi-solid dosage form includes, first evaluation is the appearance. So in appearance, what we do, we check the appearance of the ointment, cream to check they have smooth texture and no gritty particle should be present in them when we apply on the skin. For example, scrub include the sugar molecules or particles in it. When we rub on the skin, it causes irritation to the skin. So our ointment, creams and gels should be smooth in nature or appearance and they form a single film on the skin which is also not visible to us. So then comes the viscosity. As our semi-solid preparations are viscous in nature, so we determine the viscosity by using the Brookfield viscometer. Brookfield viscometer is the apparatus which is in which their motor is attached, and in the beaker we took the ointment, cream or gel, any of them, and that homogenized viscometer circulate at the speed of 2000 to 8000 rpm, that is round per meter, rotation per meter. It's circulated, which tells the units of viscosity. Then pH determination. So our skin has pH of 5 to 5.5. So we determine the pH of the semi-solid dosage form by using the digital pH meter. Digital pH meter gives the exact value for the where the pH of the solution, ointment or semi-solid dosage form. So we determine the pH using digital pH meter. Then include the spreadability. Spreadability is the most important evaluation parameter for the semi-solid dosage form. In spreadability, what we do, we take a slide and we make a 2 cm of the circle on the slide. Then we put 0.5 gram of the gel on the slide. Then we put another slide on this slide. Then we put the weight of half kg on it for 5 minutes. Then the amount of ointment or cream or gel spread on this circle, we measure the length and the width of the circle by using the scale. This shows the how much of the gel or ointment spread in this 2 cm of the circle or outer of this, and calculated by formula S is equal to ml by T, where S is the surface, m is the weight, that is half kg, time is 5 minutes and length of the circle. So we note down the length of the circle. By this we note the spreadability of semi-solid dosage form. Then comes the stability. So we have to determine the stability of the formulation which we prepared. So we store, in the stability we store at different temperatures, at accelerated temperature, at room temperature with the relative plus minus relative humidity, and at low temperature also with the ICH guidelines which are required for the stability for 3 months, and after 3 months we check periodically that our formulation do not get contaminated by any microbes. So by these 5 evaluation parameter we can determine our formulation is safe and applicable for the use. Thank you.